What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new knife in house from Lotar Combat in Israel. This is the Akrav Gen 5. Akrav means scorpion, and it's also the Ghost Edition, which I do believe means it's all blacked out. This is a cool knife maker in Israel, and let's take a look. This has been in the waiting for 6 months, so I pre-ordered it because I want to make sure that I got just the right one. So, oh, feels good. Okay, what we got here? We got Lotar Combat Israel, Akrav Gen 5, MilSpec Custom Elite, CPM D2 in the serial number. Very nice flipper tab there. Ooh, yeah. Nice full Tanto. Frame is titanium, and it's also on bearings. Okay, not bad. Spidey flick. So it's nice to have multiple deployments. It's a nice big thumb hole there for deployment. So very nice. Feels good in the hand. Got some nice jimping up here. Not too aggressive to cut you up or anything. But yeah, feels good in the hand. It's a nice filling. The big flipper tab definitely going to prevent you from going up on the blade. Nice aggressive Tanto. So yeah, feels good. Feels good in the hand. Definitely. It's a good sized knife. It's definitely a hefty blade. It's got a very unique curvature to it. Probably kind of referring to scorpion, I would imagine, is kind of the philosophy behind his design. So very nice. Got some nice milling in the titanium. Nice, pretty full length back spacer. Nice pocket clip. Relatively deep carry up to about there. Hardware is all nice and big too. Looks like regular Allen keys, so not bad, and good size Allen keys too, not super tiny. I don't have any Allen keys on hand, so can't check the size, but they're good size. So yeah, very nice indeed. Definitely got some good retention. Yeah, nice, very nice. Centering looks pretty much spot on, definitely. No movement up or down, side to side. Very firm. Very nice indeed. We do have, looks like a stainless steel insert. That looks like the screw to it. It looks like the over travel stop is built into it. You can see a groove in there for what appears to be the over travel stop. Yeah, very nice. Got a nice edge on it, very sharp, very pointy. It's a big blade, but not super aggressive in the thickness of overall thickness. It takes a very sharp point down to the tip. So very nice indeed. Definitely unique to check out from another country and another designer. And the very unique design is definitely what it is. Yeah, very nice. I look forward to definitely checking it out more. Getting it broke in some more. Was that a lockup? Yeah, it's good lockup, about 45% or so there. So very nice. Well, there you guys go. That is the Lotar Akrav Ghost Gen 5. Okay, guys, we will catch you next time on the next video. Enjoy your day, and always don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you check out the other content we have on the channel. Have a great day. See you